Hey guys, I'm gonna do a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a short, and it's on Davinci Resolve. This is Davinci Resolve right here, and the first thing you do to make a short is import your video. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just get this video right here, and if you want to change project frame rate, just click don't change, so yeah. Just gonna wait for it to load because my computer is going very slow at the moment. Okay, it's all loaded. So you change that to your timeline. Yep. Then you go right down here to this option thing, then click it. Then you see like 1920 by 1080. You change that around. And yep, and yeah. So you change that around, and yep. And then if a video looks like this, you can always zoom it in. I like to zoom it in. And you might hear some rain in the background, sorry about that guys, but yeah. Okay, that looks good. Then what I like to do is like play it and see how it runs. But yeah, I like to see if I got any clips to edit and yep. Like I gonna clip this out. So someone's there. Yo, hello Fanny. Hello man, Fanny. Up here. So I click that out. Okay. Wait. I like that one. Okay. So I click that. Okay. That's me laughing. That's a weird laugh. Okay. Okay. Yo, hello, Fanny. So I clip that as well, so I can clip it down a bit. Okay. Up here. It looks like they're speaking another language, but I don't understand them. Okay.
It's clear.
And they said it's clear, so yeah. I like that one. Just gonna clip his laughing. So yeah, this is gonna be a video later on, but yeah. I'm gonna show you how I clip things. So if you wanna clip stuff, you go right click, then click split, then click split, and then press delete. Then you can clip it like that. And that's how you make shorts, but I'm gonna keep going because I wanna do a full walkthrough on how I edit and stuff, and yeah. What is this clip? Oh, that's a different language. I don't understand them, so yeah. They're not English. Gonna clip that as well. They're not English. I'm dead. I'm not English, I'm dead. That's funny. We're gonna kill me though. We're gonna kill me. I like that. You're gonna kill me, but you're gonna kill me, but not English. I like that. You're gonna kill me, but not English. Okay. And the reason why I use Davinci Resolve because it's much more easier to use than other programs. So yeah, that's why I use Davinci Resolve. And yeah, they're not English guys, they're gonna kill me. I can just see it. Gonna clip that as well.
Oh man. Oh man, what's up?
I'm gonna use that as a full man, hey. Okay.
Yeah.
Delete the whole thing, shit. Okay.
Yeah, food man.
We have food man about what he said, but I don't trust him.
Food.
Oh, delete it again. I'm not that good at doing that, but yeah. Yeah, I have food, but it's frozen. And that's when they came in. But I'm gonna keep it as a full clip. Yo, hey. Yo. And it might be lagging a bit in the video because of my specs. Yeah, food, yeah. So I gave them food and then they would have killed me, but I just dived out the window. It's frozen. Hey, yeah. Let's clip that so I can fit into one video. Because I don't want it too long to clip. Okay. It's frozen. See how he aimed a gun at me? Watch this. How he aimed a gun at me? He was about to shoot. Then I dived out the window. Shit. My software. Help. Help. Okay. Bye. I said bye. Then, if you don't want loading screen, you can clip it down like there. Okay. That's how you make a clip. A short clip. Okay. That was the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a short and on Davinci Resolve. And that's how you make a short. And if you want to upload that straight to YouTube or something, what I like to do is like go to deliver and go to H.264 master, click that, and you can call it anything, but I like to call it random things, but yeah. Then you go to format, change that to MP4. Then everything looks okay here. Then click render. Then save it anywhere. I like to save it to my downloads folder. And yep, render. Then that should take about a minute, but yeah, shouldn't take too long to render. It's going pretty fast. But yeah, that's about all guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed of DaVinci Resolve tutorial and how to make a short. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, this will be uploaded after, but I'm first gonna upload the clip of short first, then longer video after. So yeah, peace out, and much love from me to you, and peace out. I'll end the video here. So after you've done that, it says completed here. Then after you've done that, all you can do is like exit out the app, and then you're done. So yeah, yep. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out and much love. Peace.